Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to use a skylight, open a hole in the AiHouse. Right, let's get into it. Okay, first thing first, come into here. Okay, from floor plan, come to library. Okay, next you come to Windows. Okay, you can see this one word called skylight. Okay, once you select it, as you can see this one, skylight. Okay, when you left click drag, you will see something like this. So, for example, this one I put here. Okay, I can put another one here, something like this. Okay, then this one I put here, make it big. Okay, make it big. Okay, you'll see something like this, right? And you have one more, this one you can put here like this. When you left click it, you can see this one, fill. So it will automatically fit everything. Like this one, I did not fit everything. Okay, just to show you guys, right? As you can see it's already open hole. All right. Once I render result, you can see each of them result. Okay. So after render, you have this result. As you can see here, I just now put the two skylight. It will look something like this. Okay. Then the middle, as you can see, everything. So as you can see, here still got a bit like that. Yeah, because I have not fit in everything. All right. Then one more is this. Yeah, see this one is will be fit everything nicely done. Right? Hit the like button and subscribe. Okay? Bye.